English Easy Practice. Do you want to learn English vocabulary faster? And boost your speaking skills quickly?
We can speak English.
Then, welcome to our new video to improve your English skills. In this video, we'll dive into a fun and interactive learning experience designed to improve your English speaking skills.
Speak English.
Now, we will have a 4-part exercise. Part 1, listening practice. Part 2, vocabulary. Part 3, listen and answer practice. Part 4, shadowing practice. Now, are you ready to train your brain to speak English fluently? Let's get started.
Part 1, English Listening Practice. In the first part, you'll listen to a conversation between native English speakers. Try to focus on the meaning of the conversation when you listen to it. This will help you understand real-life conversations better.
If anything.
Did you like the movie?
It was okay, but not very scary.
Really, I thought it would be super scary.
If anything, it was more funny than scary.
Yeah, that one scene made me laugh.
Me too. The monster looked so fake.
I think the movie trailer was scarier than the movie.
The popcorn was the best part.
And the soda? I drank the whole thing before the movie even started.
I noticed that. I was still eating my popcorn during the credits.
Next time, let's choose a better movie.
Good idea. Maybe a real horror movie this time?
Or maybe a comedy. At least we know we'll laugh. Part 2, Learn Vocabulary. Now, let's explore some new words together in our vocabulary section. I'll explain a few words and use them in example sentences to help you grasp their meaning easily.
Vocabulary.
If anything. We use this when we want to say something is the opposite or different from what was expected. Example: he didn't help. If anything, he made the problem worse.
And if anything,
if anything,
it's my fault. I'm the one.
If anything, you're pathologically unshallow.
if anything.
If anything.
Credits. The list of names at the end of a movie or TV show. It shows who worked on the film. Example: we left the cinema before the credits started.
It's got to roll!
Credits?
At least. We say this when something is not perfect, but there is still one good thing. Example: I lost my phone, but at least I still have my wallet.
Mid-40s at least.
At least.
At least.
At least.
At least.
I want to remind you something, guys. Repetition is very important to become fluent in English. So, watch this video many times. Try to answer the questions out loud and you will improve your speaking skills quickly.
Part 3. Listen and answer practice. Time for some interactive practice. Listen carefully to the questions I ask about the conversation. Try to answer them out loud before I reveal the correct answers. This will boost your speaking and listening skills. Repeat this exercise every day until you can say the answers quickly and confidently. Answer the questions out loud. Did you like the movie?
It was okay, but not very scary.
Did Mark and Sophie watch a documentary? No, they didn't watch a documentary. What did Mark and Sophie watch? A movie. They watched a movie together. Did Sophie think the movie was very scary? No, she didn't. She said it was not very scary. What did Sophie say about the movie? She said it was okay, but not very scary. Really, I thought it would be super scary. Did Mark think the movie would be super scary? Yes, he did. He thought it would be super scary.
If anything, it was more funny than scary.
Was the movie scary or funny for Sophie? Funny. She said, if anything, it was more funny than scary. Yeah, that one scene made me laugh.
Me too. The monster looked so fake.
Did they both laugh during the movie? Yes, they did. They both laughed at one scene. Did Sophie say the monster looked real? No, she didn't say the monster looked real. What did Sophie say about the monster? She said the monster looked fake. I think the movie trailer was scarier than the movie. What did Mark say about the movie trailer? He said the trailer was scarier than the movie.
The popcorn was the best part.
What did Sophie like most about the movie night? The popcorn. She said the popcorn was the best part. And the soda? I drank the whole thing before the movie even started. Did Mark enjoy the soda? Yes, he did. He said he drank it before the movie started. When did Mark finish his soda? Before the movie. He finished it before the movie started.
I noticed that. I was still eating my popcorn during the credits.
Was Sophie still eating popcorn during the credits? Yes, she was. She said she was still eating during the credits. Next time, let's choose a better movie.
Good idea. Maybe a real horror movie this time?
Or maybe a comedy. At least we know we'll laugh. Do they want to watch another movie next time? Yes, they do. They want to choose a better movie next time. What kind of movie do they want to watch next time? Maybe a horror or comedy movie. They talked about both. Part 4. Shadowing practice. Lastly, we have the shadowing practice. Read your lines out loud after the speakers as they talk in the conversation. Focus on the rhythm and intonation of the English expressions and sentences. This exercise will sharpen your pronunciation and overall speaking abilities. Let's begin. Did you like the movie? Really, I thought it would be super scary. Yeah, that one scene made me laugh. I think the movie trailer was scarier than the movie. And the soda? I drank the whole thing before the movie even started. Next time, let's choose a better movie. Or maybe a comedy. At least we know we'll laugh.
It was okay, but not very scary. If anything, it was more funny than scary. Me too. The monster looked so fake. The popcorn was the best part. I noticed that. I was still eating my popcorn during the credits. Good idea. Maybe a real horror movie this time?
Great job on completing the English speaking practice. Keep watching this video every day for 1 week and repeat the exercises to see significant improvements in your English skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Happy learning!
Thanks for watching, guys. Now, I recommend you watch this great video too. It will help you to improve your English skills, and you will love it, I promise.